Hello, it's Wendy Lee, and I am coming to you live from my studio, and I want to show you some of the products that I ordered during our product purchase premiere. So as a demonstrator, you get an opportunity when you attend a Stampin' Up! Event to pre-order products early, which is very, very exciting. We had a limited selection, but many good choices. So today I'm going to share the items that I've ordered early. I will get to order again December 5th. Yay! So we'll get some additional brand new products ahead of time. So if you are very excited about getting products ahead of time, consider joining the team. It's a great time to do it. In December, you can get new products in your starter kit. There's a Stamparatus bag coming our way if you haven't seen that yet. There's a tote that's part of the celebration special that we can order now as a demonstrator, so you can get started really early. Anyway, I am going to go ahead and flip my camera if I can figure this out and open the box and let you see all the goodies. All right, hold on just a second and I will see if I can get this flipped around. All right. Let me go this way. All right, that didn't work very well. I'm gonna try this again. See if I can do this. Okay, let me see if you can see the box. Hey, Courtney. I don't know if your box has come yet, but mine is here. I'm super excited about it. Okay, so I don't know if I'll be able to see anything on my computer here, but I'm going to try to check and look for comments in case anybody is watching and wants to add a comment. So here we go. I'm going to open it up. So I've already opened it with the blade, but I haven't looked inside just yet. So hopefully you can see all of this. So we'll remove the packing. Very exciting. Okay, so the first thing on top, oh my gosh, this is the tote that is going to be available when new people join my team during celebration. As I mentioned, you can get this awesome tote now. If you're a demonstrator, you can pre-order it. So this is what it looks like. It's got lots of great storage. Cute tag. Zipper pouch. Let's see if I can get that open. So you've got a zipper pouch. You've got a great handle on it. Lots of great pockets on the inside. Oh, so nice. So very nice. There is a bottom to this bag as well that you just slide in. And some dividers. So look at this. This is all Velcro so that it's adjustable. I will figure that out on my own time. I won't make you watch me do this, but I believe that these slide down inside the bag and then you will be able to adjust your compartment. So I'll post some pictures once I have that all together. Perfect. Great. Awesome start to my opening here. All right, what else? Oh, some great new epoxy hearts that are awesome. We'll be able to color these with the blends and change the colors. Here's one of our new stamp sets called A Piece of Cake. This has a coordinating punch. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, it's buried in here somewhere. Let's see. Here we go. Here's the punch that coordinates with it. So this is going to make crafting super fast and easy. I'm really excited about this. And this is a bundle, so we'll be able to get it at 10% off. So hopefully I'll get to post some pictures of samples made with that soon. Yay. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Set that one aside. Oh, here is another great bundle. So this is the Bloom by Bloom stamp set. Really nice imagery in this set. It's kind of Scandinavian inspired, so it's a little different than maybe some of the past sets that we've had. gosh, what else? What else? So many good things. I know there was a lot of stuff that went with this particular suite. Note cards and envelopes that match that. I've got some nice epoxy dots. These are really nice. They're a little smaller than what we've had in the past, and have 3 different sizes in each of the 5 colors. So I really am excited about those. Let's see. Oh, a new embossing folder. Can't pass up on a new embossing folder. This has a really neat texture to it. So another must-have. There's some really nice punches. Trio. Actually, it's 4 punches actually that coordinate with that product suite as well. And let's see what else I've got in here. There's a Memories and More pack that coordinates as well. We'll have to rip that open and look at what some of those cards look like. All right, I think that was it in that suite. All right, so there may be some more buried in there that I haven't gotten to yet, but I'm going to keep going. This here is the Butterfly Gala. So this is another punch and stamp set combo, which is awesome. Love having punches. They're super quick to be able to get our projects together. And these butterflies are absolutely beautiful. There is a celebration product that coordinates, which is this designer paper. So the punch will actually work really well to punch out some of these butterflies really quickly. So really excited about that product offering as well. I actually got a couple packs of those papers. Here is the designer paper that coordinates with this set I showed earlier. Very nice. I love the bold colors in that one. And I've got some random paper in my box because I needed to add to my supplies. Here's some coral ribbon that goes again with that Bloom by Bloom bundle. Super excited about this. This is my Stamparatus bag. Did you know a bag was coming your way with the Stamparatus? Very exciting about this, or very excited, I should say, about this. Let's see. So it's got a pocket on the front, a little snap pocket. And there's a zipper pouch inside. So I'm going to be able to keep my Stamparatus, my extra magnets, my extra plates, all in this bag. There's a nice handle if you want it. Really, really nice. It's kind of a canvas texture to it, so it's going to be nice and strong and sturdy. Okay. All right. Oh, the Butterfly Beauty Abound. So this comes with a set of dies. So I'm going to open these dies so you can see them because they are really detailed and fun. Let me show you these. Look at that. This is all one big die. But of course, you'll be able to cut those apart as well and use them as individual butterflies or as one big large image. Really exciting. And there's 2 sheets. So you've got the layering of the different details. So those are just going to make some really beautiful projects. I can't wait to get started with that. And the coordinating stamp set, of course. So that's another bundle that you'll be able to get for 10% off in the catalog. Oh, I'm making a mess over on the side. Another set of dies I got. On this one, I chose not to get the stamp set yet. I may change my mind on that. But so far, I just got the dies. So let's see what these look like. So these are Be Mine stitched framelits, and these are hearts. Hearts with stitching. I'm so excited about that. I really like this collage of hearts right here and this little stitched scallop edge. So this is going to be really nice. This will coordinate with so many stamp sets that we've got. Perfect for anniversary, Valentine, just anytime you need to show somebody some love, right? There is a cardstock pack that goes with the Happiness Bloom stamp set. I keep uncovering things with that suite. Some adhesive sequins. There we go. All right, so I've got a couple of celebration items as well. The Lasting Lily. This is one of those dynamic, I believe is the right word for this, stamp sets where it's got all the depth of texture in there. Really, really nice, and it's a photopolymer. So I think that's really exciting that Stampin' Up's been able to create that same look that they did with the red rubber in the photopolymer. It's got some really nice sentiments. So this is going to be one of the items that you'll be able to get at the $100 level during celebration for free. Yay! And then I've got a couple more celebration items. The Hello Cupcake, just super cute, great for birthdays. And then the So Happy Together. These frogs are just so cute. They make perfect Valentines, birthdays. I'm really excited to be playing with this one. They are just the funniest little guys. So that's really about all I got in my box. Let me see if I can flip my camera around again. Alrighty. That you want to see all my junk on the other side there. All right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed getting a peek at some of the products we have coming our way. Again, I get to order again on December 5th because the entire catalog will open up to us as a demonstrator. So super exciting. So when I get that box, I will share that one with you too. Thanks so much. Glad you joined me tonight. If you have any questions on anything you saw, let me know. Thanks. Bye.